Ladies and gentlemen, tonight the Congress Punjab President Navjot Singh Sidhu is not just being a thorn for the Congress party, but the eccentric leader and his team are now threatening to undermine One India. So much so that it has irked its own captain, who has lashed out at Sidhu's advisors for making outlandish statements on social media. What else would you call remarks that pander to separatist elements? Now, would you describe comments that embolden Talibani butchers who seek an Islamist rule? Tonight, they have the audacity to mock Captain Amrinder, who has always put India first. His advisors have angered India. Their brazenness is hurting India. There is one section of the Congress party that is cringing tonight. Leading the anti-Sidhu tirade is Captain Amrinder Singh, Chief Minister of Punjab, who has warned Team Sidhu to stick to advising the Congress chief and not make atrocious statements that undermine India. Some Congress leaders even questioning their right to live in the nation, let alone be a part of the Congress. But their condemnation making no difference to Sidhu's advisors, who just don't care. It's not surprising as to why Sidhu has chosen advisors like Malvinder Singh Mali. They probably borrow the mindset and the ideology of their boss, who didn't think twice before breaking into a cheerful bonhomie with Pakistan Army Chief, who sends terrorists to India, and who is in total admiration of Imran Khan, who is an open supporter of Taliban rule in Afghanistan. And before I move any further, just listen in, not just to Malvinder Singh Mali, but also Mr. Manish Tiwari and Mr. Harish Rawat, the head of the Congress of Punjab. Listen in.
जो मैं कहना मेरे सोशल मीडिया ते कहा होया ओही फाइनल आ वाइट मैं एक टीवी वाले ਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਤੋੜ ਮਰੋੜ ਕੇ ਤੋਤਾ ਬਣਾਤਾ ਮੇਰਾ सोशल मीडिया देखो मेरियां पोस्टां देखो ओही मेरा वर्षन आ
सर मनीष तिवारी हरीश रावत जी आ रहे हैं इस बात पे लेके मनीष तिवारी जी कह रहे हैं कि जो ऐसे मैसेज कर रहे हैं उनका इंटेंशन देखनी बड़ी जरूरी है। मनीष तिवारी जो सीनियर कांग्रेस लीडर वो भी कह रहे हैं
ਜੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੁਝਾਅ ਦੇਣ ਦਾ ਹੱਕ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੁਝਾਅ ਦੇਣ ਦਾ ਹੱਕ ਆ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਵਿਚਾਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਤਿਕਾਰ ਕਰਦਾ। ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੋਵੇ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਨੂੰ ਮੁੜ ਵਿਚਾਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਸੰਵਾਦ ਚੱਲਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਸੰਵਾਦ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਠੀਕ ਪੱਖ ਵੀ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਦੁਖਾਂਤ ਇਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੰਵਾਦ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਤਵੇਬਾਜ਼ੀ ਚ ਪੈ ਗਏ ਦੂਸ਼ਣਬਾਜ਼ੀ ਚ ਪੈ ਗਏ।
एक बात मैं पार्टी की तरफ से साफ कर देना चाहता हूं कि कश्मीर जम्मू कश्मीर भारत का अविभाज्य अंग है किसी को भी इस स्टेटस पर शंका करने का कोई हक नहीं है। बयान देने की बात तो छोड़ दीजिए मगर मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ ऐसी चीज़ें ट्विस्ट भी की जा रही हैं तोड़ मोड़ करके भी पेश की जा रही हैं। चुनाव का वर्ष है तो हमको इतना समय देना चाहिए कि हम पूरी जानकारी कर सकें और जानकारी के बाद यदि ये चीज़ें तथ्यात्मक आती हैं दोनों बातें तथ्यात्मक आती हैं तो हम उस पर कार्रवाई करेंगे चाहे कोई व्यक्ति।
रावत जी मुख्यमंत्री रहे उत्तराखंड के उनको बहुत ही गंभीरता से और संवेदनशीलता से ऐसे बयानों को अपने संज्ञान में लेना चाहिए। पंजाब एक सरहद का सूबा है और अगर पंजाब का कोई नेता ये कहे कि जम्मू कश्मीर भारत का अभिन्न अंग नहीं है भारत का अटूट अंग नहीं है तो यही बात तो पाकिस्तान भी कहता है। और अगर बाकी लोगों के ऐसे बयान आए जिससे इस तरह की बू आए कि वो पाकिस्तान की हमायत करते हैं वो पाकिस्तान जो रोज़ हथियार भेज रहा है हथियारों के ज़ख़ीरे भेज रहा है भारत में वो पाकिस्तान जो रोज़ नशा भेजता है पंजाब में तो ये कोई अच्छा संदेश नहीं जाता। तो
So ladies and gentlemen, the legitimate question on the news hour tonight is Pakistan appeasement in Congress's DNA? That's the question and the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining me on the debate tonight, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, national spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla, lawyer, Mohandas Pai, chairman, Aryan Capital Partners. Also joining me this evening, Sujata Paul, political analyst, Tehseen Poonawalla, political analyst, and Arshpreet Khadial, spokesperson of the Congress Party and advocate in the Supreme Court. And my first question goes to you, Sujata Paul. You know, which part of Malvinder Singh Mali's statement is not clear to the Congress Party? They say the Congress Party, does not agree with Mali. But Mali is, as per a letter signed by Navjot Singh Sidhu on the 11th of August, appointed as an advisor to Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu. And that appointment still stands as far as we are concerned. It's a public appointment in a public domain. And today, he continues to maintain his stand. There is no reprimand. There is no removal from the post of an advisor that he currently occupies. And he still continues to be a congressman. So I want to ask you, Kashmir is a separate state and India is an illegal occupant. Is this condoned by the Congress Party? Is this the Congress view? Is it Congress which wants to keep Pakistan happy more than keeping Indians happy?
Certainly not. This is not in India's interest, and I agree with what Captain Amrinder Singh has said, and his statement is very clear, where he has said that Jammu Kashmir is an inalienable part of India. All of us believe that, and I think these statements need to be condemned. And like Mr. Harish Rawat has already said, that he is going to look into this matter. So we need to give them time to do that. Pakistan threat is real. Weapons and drugs are coming in. Our soldiers are dying at the hands of Pakistani soldiers. And there were so many terrorist attacks in the 1980s and 1990s. So these statements need to be condemned. And I'm hopeful that the Congress Party is going to take action against both Mr. Mali, and there is another gentleman also. I found Dr. Pyare Lal Garg. According to Captain Amrinder Singh, his statements have also been condemned. And I think that we just need to wait and watch. I'm sure that the Congress Party is going to take action.
Wait and watch. Congress Party needs time to investigate the matter, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia. You know, the statements, the social media posts are in public domain, but the Congress Party needs time. What does it need time for? It needs time to find out possibly whether Kashmir is a part of India or not, because Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said that this is an international issue and we'll have to look at this international issue. It can't be debated in the parliament. Is this actually something that runs in the Congress DNA? They need time to figure out कि कश्मीर हमारा है कि नहीं. सारे हिंदुस्तानियों 135 करोड़ हिंदुस्तानियों को पता है कि कश्मीर हमारा है, लेकिन the Congress needs time to investigate. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, your response.
Yes. Navika, they need time, but they never specify how much time they need, like 2 decades, 3 decades, 5 decades, 7 decades. And I can only say Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu is making these anti-India statements only because he has an approval from the leadership of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. And let me now illustrate by a few examples. It is definitely very shameful that these people who are there to advise are themselves making anti-India statements and nothing is being done against them. But in the past, what has Sidhu done? Let us, just have a word on that. He was seen hugging Bajwa when the brave Indian army was teaching a befitting lesson to the Pakistani army. When Balakot airstrike happened and every Indian was proud of our brave Indian Air Force, Sidhu said, थोड़े पेड़ गिर गए हैं वहां पे, थोड़े बहुत पेड़, और कोई डैमेज नहीं हुआ. That was contrary to all international intelligence reports. Then Pulwama happened. Everyone in India had tears in the eyes because there was supreme sacrifice that was made by our soldiers. And what did Sidhu say? Sidhu infamously said, कुछ गलत लोगों की वजह से पूरे देश पाकिस्तान को बदनाम तो नहीं कर सकते ना, पाकिस्तान तो बहुत अच्छा मुल्क है, ये भी सिद्धू ने कहा था. Now, when Sujata says that they need time, these statements were made a few years ago. What was done against Sidhu? He was promoted. He was made the president of the Punjab Congress. And then let's come to Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. You know, Article 370 was temporary, the Congress knew. But because of their appeasement politics, they never abrogated it. And hats off to Shri Narendra Modi ji, he took a historic decision, and Amit Shah ji as the Home Minister ensured that Article 370 is abrogated. But I will like to quote one line from the speech of Amit Shah ji where Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary was very adhir, and he said this, and I quote, "You have done bifurcation of one state and it has happened, but I want to know whether it is really an internal matter when United Nations is monitoring Kashmir since 1948. Now, what does it reflect? It reflects the anti-India mindset of the Congress party, and I would have said that they will implode someday. But the problem is whether they exist when it comes to ideology. Can they offer anything to our country? That is the larger question that we should be debating. Thank you.
Let me get in Mr. Arshdeep Gadiyal. I want to ask you, Mr. Harshdeep. It's all very well that Captain Amrinder Singh has, and he's not somebody who minces his words, and he has sternly taken apart the statements of Malvinder Singh Mali. But I want to ask you very, very clearly on how things operate within the Congress party. Captain Amrinder Singh, nobody can question his patriotism. But Malvinder Singh Mali, now look at his statements. His statements are there on social media from 17th of August, where he says Taliban pehle jaisa vyavhar nahi karega. This is 17th of August, just about 5 or 6 days ago. Then on 9th of August he says Pakistan se dushmani nahi aur dosti aur khulli baithak pakki hai. This is what he said on 9th of August. Then he also eulogizes Khalistan. This is 26th July. I hold his social media post in my hand, and I also hold his social media post of 16th of August, where he says Afghanistan में तालिबान का सत्ता हथियाना दक्षिण एशिया में शांति बहाल करने में मदद करेगा. Now I want to ask you, does Captain Amrinder Singh agree with all of these statements of Mr. Malvinder Singh Mali, or does he actually believe that instead of Mr. Mali being the advisor to Mr. Sidhu needs to advise his own advisors to just keep shut because it's not going down well with India?
Right. So first things first, Kashmir was, is, and will always be a part of India, no matter what. Second of all, Captain Sahab, Mr. Harish Rawat, Mr. Manish Tiwari, and many other leaders of the Congress have already condemned the statement of Mr. Mali. Third, हमारे जो CM, the CM that we have in Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, is an ex-army. He has served in the military. He has been there, and he has said this. This post is basically mocking the lives that have been lost in 1980s and 90s, and all the army jawans who have sacrificed their lives for the protection and security of India. He himself, Captain Sahab, he has himself been there, and therefore, one thing if should be appreciated is that we have minced no words. Then and there, we have condemned it. Now, what's very important is that we realize that a human's actions cannot be predicted. They could not have been anticipated when he was appointed the advisor. Second of all, we have done anything and everything that we possibly could have done, and now coming to the action, it is being contemplated, and very soon it would also be executed. But the people who are saying that nothing is being done or nothing was done about it are very wrong, because he was summoned, his statement has been taken, and an action is being contemplated. Now, very important remark that I want to make is that one person's statement should not be attributed to the entire party. Congress is not one person party. It does not belong to a person, a single person. It is a family of crores of people and the hope of more than 1 billion people. And Congress has never ever left a stone unturned to help and support Kashmir, and the precedents are a living testimony to that. Parliament may, we have time and again brought up the issues and concerns. Let me complete. Congress has time and again brought up the issues in Parliament, which were the grievances and issues of Kashmiri people. Time and again, we have played an active role in the safety and security of Kashmir.
You are
Therefore,
saying, Arshdeep ji, you are saying action is being contemplated. Very well. How much time does it take? It didn't take Captain Amrinder Singh too much time to figure out what was written and to condemn it. Now, virtually 16 to 18 hours have passed, but no action has been taken. Summoning.
Right. So may I?
No,
Just
no,
one thing.
You said he has been summoned by Sidhu, but Sidhu ji hasn't condemned the statement. And you say that one person does not make a party, but that one person's name is on the Punjab Pradesh Congress Committee letterhead as appointee of Sidhu's advisor.
As his advisor,
now
right. So may I?
Either these letterheads have no meaning, either Mr. Sidhu has no meaning in Punjab, or Captain Amrinder Singh is finding it frustrating not to be able to take action. He's the chief minister, and we as people of India would imagine that he would have the power to take action himself if somebody does this in his own backyard. And then I have shown you from 26th July, 9th August, 16th August, 17th August, various posts which I can tell you are objectionable, to call them the least. Shehzad Poonawalla, I want to ask
one thing, madam.
I want 1 minute, Arshdeep. Shehzad Poonawalla, I want to ask you. Time is required for action to be taken, Sujata Paul's defense, and action is being contemplated, is Arshdeep Kadial's defense. Is that convincing enough?
See, Navika, the last speaker said that Congress is a family of millions and hope of billions. I agree, but only those millions and billions don't reside on our side of the border, they reside on the other side of the border. So he's absolutely right. And look, Congress का पाकिस्तान के साथ याराना और राहुल सोनिया और ये जो गांधी परिवार का इमरान के साथ दोस्ताना बड़ा पुराना है. Let me tell you that Manishankar Iyer was sent by the first family to take the help of Pakistan, and he went and he said that please help us depose Narendra Modi. Didn't he say that? What action was taken on Manishankar Iyer? Maybe they are still contemplating action. Perhaps it will be taken in due course of time. After that, you remember Rahul Gandhi gave a statement on 370. He was on the first page of the dossier of Pakistan in United Nations. Maybe they are contemplating action still. It will come in time. Thereafter, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad said that the Indian army kills more civilians. Again, Pakistan used that statement in the United Nations High Commission of Refugees. Maybe action is still being contemplated. This is the kind of statements, whether it's surgical strike, Balakot airstrike, or anything else, that they keep standing with Pakistan. And therefore, I say Congress is PPP, Pakistan Parast Party. But the question is, why do they resort to this? And that too before an election. This is because they feel in their minds कि जितनी बजाएंगे पाकिस्तान की ताली, उतनी उनको मिलेगी वोटों से यहाँ पर मुसलमानों की ताली. And this is the reason of appeasement politics, or else this post is done so many days back. And I would also like to ask Captain Amrinder Singh, even if the Congress party leadership is not allowing him to remove these people from the party, why doesn't he, because law and order is under his control, he should immediately file sedition cases? Because I know he's a thorough nationalist, and I also know he must be watching your show. So I would request him that don't wait or don't be under pressure of the likes of Sujata Paul and Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. Take your own action and file a sedition case if you truly believe in what you say.
Arshdeep,
otherwise, even your words are as hollow as the
from
Congress
filing a
party
sedition charge against Malvinder Singh Mali.
Right. Madam, at least we are saying we are contemplating an action. The government, the present day government hasn't even said that. Mr. Modi went to Pakistan, sipped tea with Mr. Nawaz Sharif, ex-Prime Minister of Pakistan, sat in his chopper, broke
1
the
second. Now
protocol,
look at this
and
comparison of this.
despite that, he
Look
was-
at the comparison this man is making. The Prime Minister,
between the head of a state trying to build bridges with the head of another state, and Navjot Singh Sidhu and Malvinder Singh Mali sitting and supporting from here without having any position and saying कि दोस्ती हमारी पाकिस्तान से पक्की, हाँ पाकिस्तान से दोस्ती और खुली बैठक पक्की है. अरे इनकी तो कोई पोजीशन नहीं है एडवाइजर टू नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू के अलावा. ये पक्की कर रहे हैं दोस्ती, और वहाँ इमरान साहब करतारपुर कॉरिडोर की इनॉग्रेशन के वक्त ढूंढ रहे हैं कितने गया साडा सिद्धू सिद्धू कहाँ है? सिद्धू कहाँ है? कितने हैं सिद्धू? हमारा सिद्धू कहाँ है? You know, Mr. Mohandas Pai, is it the same thing? Is it the same thing when the Prime Minister of a country is building relationship with neighbors and you know some advisor of Navjot Singh Sidhu, who's the president of the Congress Pradesh, you know, him saying that we will do dosti with Pakistan. I want to ask you, is there a comparison?
Ravika, it's very sad. It's very sad to see the Congress party commit harakiri very so often because the inability to rein in people who are making all this kind of silly statements. You know, this is a party where Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi gave up their lives. They were assassinated by terrorists for standing up for the integrity and safety of this country. This is a party of tall nationalists and patriots. And the same party is now tolerating these kind of elements, loose-minded elements who make loose statements and destroy the credibility of the Congress. The Congress should not do this because the Congress is required for India as an effective opposition. And the Congress has a proud track record of being patriotic, standing up for the country. We know all about that. Now they got pathetic leaders who allow all these pathetic satraps to make such silly statements and destroy the credibility of the party itself. It's a shame. They should have suspended the gentleman immediately and told him, we are going to take action against you. You are suspended. Don't come to office. Don't talk on behalf of the party. And announce they're going to take action. They're not doing it. What will the voters of this country think? What will young people think? Will young people have a confidence in the party which goes on abusing India, which goes on praising Pakistan, which got some elements like that? Manish Tiwari said the right thing. And I hope that is the official statement, that there cannot be a debate on whether Jammu and Kashmir is a part of India. It's a part of India. There cannot be any debate on that. And these elements, having this debate, they should be suspended. We feel very sad as citizens that the grand old party is breaking up like this with all kind of elements. I think they must take tough action. They must be very clear, and that person should be suspended so we can put it behind us and they can get along.
Tehseen Poonawalla, you have a different idea. Anything less than suspension of this gentleman, will it satisfy your conscience? Forget anybody else's. As a congressman, will your conscience be satisfied in anything less than a suspension of this gentleman who is a habitual offender?
Madam, I'd give him uninterrupted time.
I believe a case should be registered. I have the. Can you please put the fader down?
ये फेडर किनका डाउन करूं? ये कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह के बोलने वाले हैं. आपका फेडर सिद्धू साहब के बोलने वाले उनसे डाउन करवा रहे हैं. ये देखिए, let's get Arshdeep and Tehseen to fight with each other because दोनों एक दूसरे का फेडर डाउन करवा रहे हैं. कौन पहले बोलेगा?
I don't want to fight with anyone.
No?
I don't want to.
Oh, you are Sidhu supporter. All right. So Sidhu supporters will stay quiet. They will not say anything. They will not call out what is wrong. So they believe in staying quiet. Is that what you are saying, Tehseen Poonawalla?
I am a Congress supporter. A. B. Please, can I be allowed to make my point? Thank you. Just two quick points. I think that action should be taken immediately, as I've said. The Congress has spoken about it. But I also demand an action against JP Nadda ji for putting the BJP flag on the Indian tricolour. This is actually sedition, and action should be taken both against this gentleman and against Mr. JP Nadda. And I want to, how is this not in, because you are insulting my tricolour. You were insulting my tricolour, and I have one point. How is it not the topic? You insult my tricolour, it's not the topic of a discussion. But I am a topic for discussion. You've insulted my tricolour. You're in Book of Thoughts, Golwalkar said the tricolour is Ashok. The tricolour is Ashok. It is. This dirty BJP flag. This dirty BJP flag is on it. It is illegal. It is a violation of the flag code.
Mind your words, if there is anything dirty in a political system, it is the Congress. I'm the thinking of Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, and I don't mean to interrupt.
How dare it is on my tricolour? How dare this? How is this allowed? How is this allowed? Every self-respecting Indian was insulted when the BJP flag was put. Are you defending it? Are you defending it?
Sonia Gandhi
Are you defending this?
MOU with the Chinese government?
Are you
and not
defending
reveal
this?
the content?
Are you defending the
How
fact
dare
that
Sonia
Golwalkar
Gandhi
said the
spy
tricolor is
against
a
our
joke?
country?
You guys
How
are
dare Rahul
anti-national.
Gandhi
You guys are
meet the
anti-India.
Chinese and
You
OI
guys have
during
insulted
Doha?
my tricolor.
How
There
dare
should be
Rahul
sufficient charges
Gandhi
on you.
speak against the Indian army asking for proof?
How dare Golwalkar
Rahul
say
Gandhi?
tricolor is a
I'm
joke?
asking you. And how
How
dare
dare Golwalkar
Sidhu?
say my tricolor is a joke? How dare he say this?
Sidhu become a perpetual anti-nationalist?
How dare
And
you
how
put the
dare
BJP
Rahul Gandhi
flag
remain
on my
quiet?
tricolor?
And how
Under
dare
what
Sonia
right did you
Gandhi
put it?
not
It
take
is
action?
shameful. You should be ashamed.
How
dare you put
I'm
my
asking
tricolor
you,
below the
Mr.
BJP
Tehseen
flag?
Poonawalla,
Tricolor
just
is my,
because you
is my
wearing the
badge,
tricolor
it's my identity.
doesn't make you
Never put the
patriotic. Let me
BJP
tell you.
flag. Never
Let me
put the
tell you.
BJP flag on it. I will die
The
for
Indian,
this tricolor.
the Indian
How dare you put
tricolor
the
can
BJP
be
flag on
equated
it?
to no
You should be
other flag.
ashamed.
I make it
You should
clear.
be ashamed.
Now, do you
Say
have the
sorry.
guts
Say
to at
sorry.
least endorse what
This
the
is it.
Captain Amrinder Singh is
You know,
saying?
your outrage, Tehseen Poonawalla, is extremely
I am
touching.
saying-
Extremely
I am
touching.
saying-
At least if for
They are
nothing
very
else, for
selective.
dramatics,
They are
you will
very,
get
very
the
selective.
you will
They
get
put
the
the
Oscar
BJP
for
flag
dramatics.
on
But
my
I want to
tricolor.
ask you,
I will die
when
for my
Doha,
tricolor. How
when
dare you say
Doha
that?
was
Chillane
happening,
se aap
why was Rahul
You come
Gandhi
बोलिए।
at
वरना
dinner
सिद्धू की
with the
तरह आप भी
Chinese
कुछ गलत बोल
ambassador?
देंगे।
Why was an MOU signed at a time when there was
Very
a
good question.
standoff with China
नहीं
between
बताएंगे, हिम्मत नहीं
the
है
Congress
इनकी।
party
अधीर
and
रंजन
the
चौधरी के
Chinese
से
government?
पूछिए।
Very good
Why were
question.
donations taken into the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation at a time when there was a standoff? I want to ask you,
वो नहीं
Tehseen
बताएंगे,
Poonawalla,
हिम्मत नहीं है।
कश्मीर
गुलगुलबाज।
कश्मीर
Very good
गिफ्ट
question.
कर दिया आपने
हाँ, very good
पाकिस्तान
question,
को,
but you are very
इंडिपेंडेंट
poor
कर दिया,
answer, my friend.
उस पर तो कोई जवाब है नहीं, उस पर तो कोई जवाब नहीं है। लेकिन आपको आपको इजाजत चाहिए और हक चाहिए सवाल पूछने का गौरव भाटिया से। अब आपने पूछ लिया सवाल, आपको मिल गया
मैंने तो
जवाब,
कह दिया।
अब मेरे सवाल का जवाब दे दीजिए। आंसर द क्वेश्चन straight and square. What is the action that you will take against Malvinder Singh Mali for his repeated tweets? For his repeated tweets, including the one gifting away Kashmir to I don't know which country.
You've made a factually incorrect statement, ma'am, so allow me to correct you and answer your question. In 1994, the Congress government under P.V. Narasimha Rao passed a resolution that the entire Kashmir, including POK, was an integral part of India. The same resolution was brought out by BJP
Before you
minister
move
now,
forward,
and then MP
why
Rajiv
don't you
Chandrasekhar
send
Mr.
that
Modi, who
resolution
refused
to
pass it.
Mr.
Who
Adil
refused to pass
Chaudhary,
it.
who is your leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, who said that this has nothing to do between the two countries and you should be going and taking permission from the United
did Mr.
Nations.
Modi not
Why
pass
don't
it?
why don't you first send the resolution to your own party men? And secondly, while you are at it, why don't you send what the Congress party stands for to Malvinder Singh Mali, who is your own Congress person, and Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu, who has appointed Mr. Mali as his advisor. Why don't you send it to them first, and when they have learnt it absolutely by heart, you come back to this debate and begin to raise any other arguments on any other subject. Shehzad Poonawalla. Shehzad Poonawalla, what is that picture that you are showing?
I just want to show. Yeah, if the camera person can please zoom. Tehseen said a lot of things about the violation of the flag code. This is Mr. Girish Chodankar, the state president of Congress party in Goa, putting the flag of the Congress party over the tricolor in the same manner, perhaps, on the body of Miss Victoria Fernandez, who was a cabinet minister of Goa. Now, Tehseen Poonawalla may find this also as offensive. I would like him to use the same words, that the dirty Congress flag was put on this tricolor, and he should, if he has the guts, file a case on both of these people. Otherwise, his outrage only shows that it is selective and convolutive because he does not want to answer the question. अरे तुम्हारे प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह ने 26/11 के बाद फली मेजर की बात सुनकर स्ट्राइक नहीं करवाए, तुम्हें तब आउटरीच नहीं हुआ? तुम्हारे लोग पार्टी के कहते हैं कि ये कश्मीर भारत का हिस्सा नहीं है, ये बायलैटरल हिस्सा है, बायलैटरल मैटर है, तब तुम्हारे को गुस्सा नहीं हुआ? तुम्हें गुस्सा तब हो रहा है कि जब ये मामला भटकाना है। तो व्हाट इज दिस पिक्चर? टेक दिस लुक एंड गिरीश चोडांकर पर क्या बोलोगे? यूज द सेम वर्ड्स अगेंस्ट द कांग्रेस पार्टी फ्लैग. इफ यू आर अ न्यूट्रल पर्सन एंड तुम्हारे लिए तिरंगा बहुत ऊपर है, नाउ आई डेयर यू टू यूज द सेम वर्ड्स फॉर द कांग्रेस फ्लैग. कम ऑन, डू इट, डू इट.
Absolutely. Shahzad, will you stop shouting? Will you stop shouting like a madman? Absolutely agree with you. No flag can be above my tricolor. Therefore, Golwalkar was unpatriotic when he said the tricolor.
All this while this had not been brought to your notice.
It should never
all
be allowed.
this while this was not brought to your notice. Gaurav Bhatia, आज outrage हो रहा है इनको फ्लैग पर, लेकिन ये जो गोवा का फ्लैग है, ये इनके नोटिस में नहीं आया. ये माली साहब के जितने ट्वीट्स हैं, जितने फेसबुक पोस्ट हैं, ये इनके नोटिस में नहीं आया. So outrage is selective, nationalism selective, patriotism selective, only and only when they want to question the BJP. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, respond to Mr. Tehseen Poonawalla and his fake outrage.
Yes. To my friend Tehseen, I will go a step further than what Shehzad said. Shehzad said that, there is another example of the Congress and where the tricolor has been insulted. Navika, tricolor has the highest of respect for every person in the Bharatiya Janata Party and for every citizen. And I challenge Tehseen, once I am done, after making 2 more points, he can tell us which provision of the flag code has been violated if he feels so. The tricolor was very clearly seen there. There was no covering the entire tricolor. So please, don't give these statements without even knowing the law of the country. And the respect really comes from the heart. You are nobody, no barometer to judge how the Bharatiya Janata Party respects the tricolor. Now my point is, Mali says कि भारत ने कब्जा कर रखा है कश्मीर. भारत ने कब्जा कर रखा. Now I want to say, will Sidhu, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi look in the eyes of the family members of Captain Vikram Batra and other martyrs who've given their life for the honor of the tricolor and say the same? I will tell you, the brave Indian army gives its life for the honor of the tricolor, not to encroach on the territory, but to protect the territory of India. And the saddest part is that Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi are quiet. Salute to Captain Amrinder Singh. He at least has the courage to be an Indian first and then a Congress leader. But Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi are maintaining a deafening silence and not even taking action.
Can I reply
this is
to
what
Gaurav
really
Bhatia?
troubles me. And last, please, Tehseen, please. Last but not the least.
Can I reply to Gaurav Bhatia?
Please.
Can I reply?
Before you respond to Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, I want to ask you. I want to ask Mr. Ashdeep. 1 minute, Mr. Ashdeep. You know, I want to ask you this question. This is a question that 1 minute, Tehseen. Stop getting excited, because what you should be excited about, you're not. Your outrage is so selective and so biased that if you belong to the liberal lobby today, you should look within to find out how outrage can be so selective. थोड़ा इसके ऊपर भी एक केस सुप्रीम कोर्ट में डाल दो. You know how this is done. Some publicity on that as well. But I want to ask Mr. Ashdeep. Mr. Ashdeep, this is a statement that comes from a congressman, and he says, "I urge the AICC General Secretary in charge of Punjab to seriously introspect that those who do not consider J&K to be part of India and others who have ostensibly pro-Pakistan leanings should be a part of INC Punjab." I want to ask you, are you in any position to give us an answer to the question that is being raised by congressmen themselves?
Madam, I'll definitely give an answer to it. But back in the time when I was speaking, I was interrupted, and a very important point was missed out. Allow me to say that first, and then I'll come to this. Number one, Mr. Joe advisor and Mr. Mali, this is his rank. Prime Minister is here. Despite that, he went to Pakistan, sipped tea, and sat on the chopper of the erstwhile Prime Minister, Mr. Nawaz Sharif. Now, nothing was done about it. Nothing was said about it. He was the Prime Minister and still is the Prime Minister.
Can you speak on today's topic?
Please, let's have a civilized debate. After that, you say anything you want. Please.
Arshdeep ji, इसका जवाब आप दे चुके हैं. You know, if you understand English, it's great. If you don't, I'll speak in Hindi. If you don't, I can speak in Punjabi as well. And I can tell you that the Prime Minister is the head of a state. Whether to maintain foreign diplomatic relations at what time, he has information and briefing and it is a policy matter which he, having been elected as the Prime Minister, has full liberty to do. So if there is any comparison within your mind about the Prime Minister of a country and Mr. Malvinder Singh Mali, please disabuse yourself, because this is elementary, my dear Watson. This is elementary, my dear Watson. Now answer the question I asked.
That wasn't planned. That wasn't planned. It wasn't a part of the itinerary. It wasn't a part of the itinerary. Let me make it clear to everyone who's watching it. It wasn't a part of his itinerary to go to Pakistan and do everything he did with the Prime Minister.
Mr. Mohandas Pai, I think obfuscation is now an instrument of state intelligence and state policy, and state of Punjab is using obfuscation as a tool to completely distract away from the attention of the current topic. Mr. Mohandas Pai, would you like to educate my advocate friend?
What makes me very sad is these people who are seeking for Congress think everybody in this country is an idiot and does not understand what they're seeking. I mean, they are lying on record. They're trying to cover up. Instead of saying that, look, this person does not reflect the views of the Congress, we will take action against him and we will set it right. They're trying to justify, give fake comparisons, fake narratives, and make very silly comparisons. I don't know what they think of the viewers. Why will anybody in this country watching a debate think highly of people like this? And the Congress party, why is the Congress party committing harakiri?
Harakiri that can justify
such empty claims coming on a debate and making such silly statements. I don't know, the result is the intelligence of the ordinary voter and the people who are watching your debate by making such silly statements, silly comparisons. Instead of admitting there's a mistake, they will take action, they suspend the person that doesn't reflect the Congress view and set the record right. They're trying to justify what is wrong. They're trying to go all over the place.
All I'm saying is that something wasn't
I'm really ashamed of these people.
Something wasn't even done about
Congress. The Congress should have better sense than to allow this kind of people.
Nothing was done about it at all. We are at least saying
Sujata Paul, at the beginning of the show, you said you condemned this statement. You said action should be taken and time is required. I want to ask you, will you justify the statements and the action of Mr. Sidhu and his advisor, Mr. Mali? Just yes or no. It's a simple question.
All I'm saying is, two wrongs don't make a right? I just gave an example that nothing was said about it or done
but you
about
are justifying,
it.
You are justifying it by using the exact same argument.
We are saying we are contemplating an action.
You understand that you are doing exactly the same thing.
I don't know how you are drawing a parallel. How are you drawing a parallel, Ashdeep? Action against the Prime Minister. Action against the Prime Minister for talking to the Prime Minister of Pakistan. I mean, I don't know. I mean, you're an advocate, but definitely not an expert on foreign policy, Ashdeep. I just hope that others from your own party who are watching this show don't begin to doubt what they're doing in the Congress when they have to defend statements now coming from you. Shehzad Poonawalla.
All we are saying is,
हर चीज 2+2 नहीं होती है, Ashdeep. Ashdeep ji, हर चीज 2+2 नहीं होती है. Everything is not simple mathematics.
Who has been convicted of child rape. Something should have been done about Mr. Sengar.
Yeah, Navika, look at the hypocrisy of these people. Navika, now please, he can't be speaking continuously, otherwise nobody's voice will be heard. Now let others also speak, Ashdeep. This is not the way to debate. I know you have to defend Pakistan, but this is not the way. Now, Navika, look at the level of Navika. Please, can you make him silent for 10 seconds so we can speak?
I wasn't allowed to speak.
Navika,
I mean, you're not making sense, Ashdeep. How much do I allow you to speak? I think let the viewers be the judge of how much you've spoken and how much sense you've made. Well, let the viewers be the judge of that. But I'm running out of time. This is not an endless debate. Unlike the Congress party, everybody in the country doesn't have that much time to waste. But Shehzad Poonawalla, your parting comment.
Few seconds. I'll pave the way for
Navika, just 10
Trying to
seconds.
speak in my
Yeah,
own
Navika, just 10 seconds. Look at this hypocrisy. The Prime Minister goes on a prime ministerial conversation with the other Prime Minister. They want a case on that. But Rahul Gandhi signed an MOU with the Chinese Communist Party. They don't want any action on that. And now they're using that as an excuse to not take action against Malvinder Mali, whom they said they were staunchly against.
I don't
This
know.
means this
I
is
don't
all
know.
an excuse.
Ladies and
There are
gentlemen,
3 spokespersons
ladies
of Pakistan.
and gentlemen,
Mr.
as
Tehsil,
always,
Mr. Firoz.
you are the judge of what happens in the field of politics. Because it is you who take a call on who should be where on this game of snakes and ladders. But as far as I can see, you know, the indefensible is being defended by the Congress party tonight. There is a post by a congressman who is an advisor of Navjot Singh Sidhu, the president of the Congress party in Punjab, who says that Kashmir is an independent territory. India has nothing to do with it. It is actually India-occupied Kashmir. I don't think there is a single Indian who believes this and supports this statement. Yet, the Congress party is going breathless, condemning it, defending it, condemning it and defending it. They don't even know where they're going with this anymore. And all they can say is they're contemplating action and it will take time. Does it take time for people to know what's wrong and what's right when it is as clear as this in a typewritten comment on social media read by millions of people? What time does it take to decide what's wrong and how much time does it take to take action? Will they walk the talk? That's the question to the Congress party. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1. Debate number 2 coming up on the other side.